So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download. This is search button and then enter your model number of motherboard. Then hit enter. Then click on the product. And then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 11. So both installations process same. So first this is audio driver and audio, just click to download. And it is completed. After that open it. Then yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Chipset driver. So download this one, management engine firmware, and this one. Click to download. When it is completed, just open it and double click to open. And this is setup chipset. Just open it and then run. Then click to yes. Next, accept, installed. Then yes. Okay, then close it. So this one, so already downloaded this. Open it. After download, just open and double click to open this setup file. Then click to yes. You can see this is installing. And then finish it and then close. Then LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, download, complete it. After that open, then right click to open, then yes. So it is completed. After that, close it and then VGA. So you can see this is graphic card, VGA driver, this is size, and click to download. So I already downloaded this one graphic. Just after download, the open and open the win file, and this is installer. Just right click to open and then click to run. And then click to yes. Click on bring install. So this is 4 step to complete bring install, setup and install and done. So you continues to next and install. After it's completed, then restart your system.